Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right now we can see that Bitcoin has come down from $19,300 all the way down to $19,100, a whopping $300 move. I'm just kidding. So basically, Bitcoin is still flat right now, not really moving, chopping sideways, still waiting for that CPI number, in my opinion, which is going to be released tomorrow at 8:30. Today, we saw that the PPI came out hotter than expected, but the markets, chopping sideways as well. In my opinion, they're really waiting for that CPI number tomorrow that's going to be really moving the markets. If the CPI is going to be hotter than expected, then we could potentially expect some more downside in the markets, as the Fed will most likely keep their hawkish stance and keep raising the rates. But if the CPI comes in more better than expected, so mean lower, then we're gonna get some nice rallies in the market. We could potentially see a lot of upside in the Nasdaq. So I'm going to be positioning myself accordingly, especially in regards to tomorrow's news. But for the time being, we are making some good trades. Right now, we could take a look at oil. Our oil short is currently up $2,200 US in our trade that we did enter in right here around $93. So congratulations to all the Discord members that are following the private trades now. Again, those are high risk trades, but the rewards are significantly higher. So we are up more than $2,000 on that trade. So I'll keep you guys up to date if we are going to take profits on that position. Again, we are still holding some other short positions on other oil companies, but if you guys want to see those trades, you got to join the Discord. No free trades here. Let's keep going on Bitcoin. Again, if the markets sell off, I expect Bitcoin to potentially finally break this pattern and get a big leg towards the downside. We could see that you have some big support coming in. So basically right now, if the price does start to come down, you have support coming in at 17,750 for that 300 weekly moving average. So maybe we're going to get a push down towards the downside right here around this area, which would come in line with this level right here, right? Or basically pretty close. We could have a wick below, or we could just bounce off that 300 weekly. But if we don't hold that level, we start to get a lot of downwards momentum. If the markets are really starting to sell off tomorrow, then you could potentially maybe even look at that 400 weekly, which is around $13,395 right now. That would be an interesting move for Bitcoin if it were to break down even lower from here. I'm not sure if it's going to do that. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research before entering any positions in these markets. Let's take a look at gold right now. We can see that gold is coming down as well, but right now getting a bit of a flat day, getting some support around 1663, which is around these areas right here, form a little bit of support right now for gold. Let's take a look right there. So you're basically finding a little bit of support around this area for gold, which was support as well in the previous a couple weeks ago. And we could take a look at silver as well. Silver getting into some nice support as well. Silver getting into some support around $19 right now. So I would be looking into a potential long position for silver. Again, Kenny is all over this in Discord every single day. He's looking at silver. He's expecting a big rally in silver, as do I. I have positioned myself accordingly in all my trades. So that's going to be a nice trade. Once silver price appreciates, we're going to reap those rewards very nicely. Let's take a look at the DXY. DXY right now starting to come up a little bit, but again, starting to slow down. Looks like it's going to roll over a little bit, but again, I could easily see the DXY shooting up to 116 if we get some higher inflation numbers, which means the Fed is going to tighten rates even more. But, we're going to have to wait to see how that plays out tomorrow. But yeah, overall, just giving you guys a midday update right now. The markets are still open. It's about 12 p.m. and I'm going to leave this video to Martin edit once again. Let's see how he's going to crank this one out. But, please be safe, trade accordingly, trade smart, don't over leverage yourself, and use the stop loss. If you guys want to sign up for Big Get Trading, the link is in the description. And if you guys want to join the Discord and see all my trades, the link is also in the description, along with my profit loss history, which is posted on my website. Love you guys. Peace.